Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see one of the interview scenario based question in SQL. So interview scenario based question is uh, so I will see look into the first scenario one. So you have a table with semester wise percent of marks. So percent of marks called as I have the table called as this table is available. Max value from table one. This table called as student ID, student name, semester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So students, six semester marks is available. Okay. Now write a SQL query which provides aggregated percentage as an output. So the question is which provides aggregated percentage. So aggregated means it's like kind of average. So to give the average for all the 6 semesters average. Okay. But we have the values are in 6 columns. Okay. Now, so this table I have created by using some sample data I have considered here. So this is the table created and I have inserted 5 records. So I will share this code in the description. Please try your end. So now we'll try to write with the aggregated result. So how we'll write with this one? First we'll write as select. I want to display as student name. So each is student wise. So all the 6 semesters aggregated result, comma. Here I will create as one alias column as that is aggregated result. Aggregated result. Okay. So for this aggregated result, from which table? So we'll get the from class the original table. So original table name is this one, max value from table one. Now I will try to get this one as so within the by using select class with by using values class. I will try to use as select. Here I will apply with the function called as aggregated function average. So avg. So for average, I can apply with on which column. So I can apply with the column as 6 columns. So here I have the columns called as 6 columns are available. So for time being, I will take the name called as PC. So common name I will consider as PC from. So in this from, I will try to write with the one class that is called as the values. So values I'm getting from how many values? So I'll get the values of this PC underscore semester one, semester underscore one, comma. So I will copy all the columns. Okay. So here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just rename the column names 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 columns I have considered. So let's get into the second column. Here, after writing the 6 columns, so these 6 column result we have to store in one value. Okay, that is called as the as value of the same column I had to give here. So whatever the column I have given in the average of PC, right? So I will give the same column name here, value of PC. Now we'll close this one. So as aggregated result, this one. Okay, fine. From which table? So the table name already I have given here. Okay. So now what I can done here mainly. So we'll try to explain this part too. So first part is so in this scenario, you have the table called as semester wise percentages. Okay, and you want to calculate the average percentage across all semesters for each student. So how I have written this query called as, first I have get the student, select student name. After then in values class, so this values class will get the, it will create a virtual table with the percentage values from each semester. So this virtual the values is, it will create as a virtual table with the percentage values from each semester. Now average of PC, so it will calculate as the average percentage for the student across all semesters. Okay. Now the result is grouped by each student's name. That is, I have done with the student name. So then we'll try to execute this part. So something, closing braces is missing. So if I select with this one closed, values of, yeah, here it will not, 6 closed and one more, this one. Okay, so now I will get the average result. So how I get the average result? So each and every semester wise. So here we have the table called as this one. So in this table, I'll get the result called as each and all the 6 semester result average. Okay, this is fine. Now I want to apply with this same thing to get with the rounding off. So how it will get the rounding off? So by applying with the round off average of PC comma 2, this one will get as the, like, okay, rounding off. So all the zeros is there. So these zeros will remove by using cast of PC comma 2 as so decimal and close. And decimal will give as so 5 comma 2. This one will try to execute. Okay. So we are getting the aggregated result like this, average. So this is the one scenario. For example, in this scenario only, if the student gets the highest percentage, like in which semester got the highest percentage, like max. So same, if we get this average, right? So in place of average, I will get with the max function. So by applying with the max function, we will get with the highest in which semester we got with the highest aggregate, not aggregate. So in which semester the student got highest score, highest percentage. For example, in this scenario, if you look into this, this all semesters. So semester 1 67, semester 2 62, 66, 68, 72, 74. So highest score called as 74. So the same thing I get here. Okay. So this is the one scenario. Similarly, we'll try to write with one more scenario. The scenario called as here, you have a table with date of delivery of multiple products. So table will look into this. So I have the table called as this one, item ID, consumer name, delivery of iPhone, delivery of laptop, delivery of smartwatch. So the dates are available. Okay. So you have the table with delivery of multiple products. Now we'll try to write with the query is SQL query which tells when each consumer received all the products. So received all the products means, for example, if Ravi is receiving the products called as iPhone, laptop, and smartwatch. So when we had to know if whether he received all the products or not. So by applying the max function only, we will get all the, whether he get the at what time he get the, he received the products, all the products. So that is when all the items got delivered to each consumer. So we'll try to write with this one. Same above type only, this one also. Select consumer name. And this one we'll try to get with as some delivery date we have to give. So delivery date. So delivery date, why I am giving call as, so we'll get the max delivery date, right? So whether iPhone or laptop or a smartwatch. So whichever he get the max delivery date. So on that date, he received all the products, iPhone, laptop, and smartwatch. So from delivery dates. Okay. Now I'll try to write with this part. Select this one. We'll try to write this part here. Select. Now here I had to apply with the max delivery date, max of delivery date. So max of delivery date. Max of delivery date. From here, from onwards, I will try to write with the values clause. So values of. So what are all the columns I had to fetch? So here I had to fetch 3 columns. So one is iPhone, laptop, and smartwatch. So direct I will try to write with delivery underscore iPhone, comma, or else first I will copy this part of instead of writing delivery laptop, comma, delivery smartwatch, and close. Okay, up to I have written as all the column names. Now here as value we had to store as value. So value of what I have given, the same column name I had to give here in the value part, or else we'll try to write with second line as value of delivery date and close. So this one will close the select part as delivery date. As. So now if I try to execute this one, select consumer name, comma is missing. Okay. So I get the max delivery date. So consumer name Ravi. So he get the max delivery date called as so 08/05/2024. Okay. So this way we will try to get the all the items got delivered to each consumer. For example, when first item was delivered to each consumer, first item. So first item called as so min function. The same query we will try to get with if you apply with the min function, we will get with the first delivery date, last delivery date, and first delivery date. So if we want first delivery date, you can apply with the min function. If you want last delivery date, you can apply with the max function. So here I will write with the max function and execute. So how this query is to be working called as so like above what I have explained, the same scenario, only this one we have to get with the delivery date calculation. So in this scenario, you have a table with the delivery dates. So dates of multiple products for each consumer, and you want to find with the latest delivery date. Okay. So for this, by using values class, is used to create a virtual table of delivery dates for different products. And if you're applying with the max function, so what max function called as, mainly it identifies the latest date among all the products for each consumer. Okay. So that is called as, so you get with the latest date by using the max function. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will share this code in the video description. Please try your end. Thank you.